my lovelies, how are you beautiful souls doing today? Welcome to today's video. Hope you guys are doing well. Hope you guys are doing awesome. Hope you guys are staying safe. Thank you for tuning in today. Thank you for watching. I do appreciate it. I don't have a beauty video for you guys today, but I do have some beauty buys for the month of August. So I'm just going to show you guys what I picked up. It's not too many things because I'm trying not to buy too many makeup things. And I was going to film this makeup look for you guys today, but your girl got lazy. I thought, you know what, should I not? And I thought, you know what, to hell with it. I'm not going to bother filming this. So I took the easy way out. Anyway, so I'm going to show you guys what I picked up. A few beauty things. We are going to start with this lipstick that I'm wearing. This is from Morphe. This is Morphe by Avani Gregg. This is a Love You lip duo. I have no idea who this person is. Obviously, it's a collaboration with Morphe. And it's called Yes Red. That's what I do have on my lips today. You do have a combination. You do have the lipstick and you also have the lip pencil. I was very worried that when my fun lip liner from Becca ran out, I would not be able to replace it with another red lip liner, and that one is just awesome. It's the best red lip liner ever. And Becca is going out of business, so if you guys can find that fun red lip liner, that's the name of the lip liner, Fun. If you can find that online, please pick it up. So this is the lipstick here. Beautiful, beautiful red lipstick. It's called Yes Red. It's on the lips today. It is just lovely. Very pretty, and it's a soft matte lipstick. It's absolutely gorgeous. Every time I think I have the perfect red lipstick, there comes another one. And I don't even know which one I like best. But the lip liner is just absolutely perfect with this lipstick. I mean, I don't know how they do this. I don't know how they match these things so well, but it is a perfect match. And it's on the lips today. And you guys would have seen this lipstick in one of my videos that I've done. This is from Sigma, and this is called Epiphany. Beautiful nudish lipstick. Why do I have black lip? I've got a black eyeliner thingy on my hand. I don't know why. So this is, I don't know if you guys can see that. Forget that black lip liner mark. This is the lipstick right there. Very nudish. I wore this in one of my beauty videos the other day, and of course it snaps nicely closely together. There it is. Love that. Now this is another one from Sigma. I did not wear this one yet. Let me just open this one for you guys. And this is a pinkish nudish lip liner. Lip liner. It's not a lip liner. It's a lipstick as well. Let me just see if I can find the name of this. Is it called Dapper? I think it is. Anyway, it's going to be down below for you guys. This is the packaging right here. Very nice. Let me do a swatch. It might be the similar color to the one I just showed you. No, it's not. It's a little deeper. I'm not very good at doing swatches, guys. There it is. That one there. Very, very pretty. Like that. Great for the fall season. Love that. And again, beautiful packaging here. And from Sigma, let's just try to put that back in the box. And this is also from Sigma. Now this is supposed to be one of those makeup brush thingies where you can clean your brush immediately when you're putting on your makeup. For example, if I have one brush that I'm using to put on my eyeshadow and I want to get into another color, all I have to do is wipe it on here. My brush comes clean, and then I can continue using another color, which is just amazing. The color comes off, but I mean, you can use this to do your regular washes for your brushes, but this is really, really interesting. And this is my powder brush I used today. You just have to rub it. I don't know if you guys can see the color on here, because I can see the brown or the powder color. You just have to rub it on here the powder comes off immediately, and then you can go ahead and you can use it on your face. It's just really interesting. From Sigma, I'm sure you can see the colors right there. You can see the difference, right? Really, really interesting. And I thought, wow, I gotta get that. So I got 2 freebies from them. This is a brush. I am not quite sure what kind of brush this is. What does it say on here? It doesn't say. Oh, it's a smudge crease. I don't know, that's what it is. So this is a free thing, and you can pick. I'm not quite sure if you can pick this after you get your by a certain amount, but I have no idea. And this little package here is the you can use to wash your brush. It's a brush shampoo. So this is just a sample. And so these are all that I picked up from Sigma. The samples came, this brush cleaner, and I got 2 lipstick from Sigma. And next I got from Amazon these brushes. These are eyeshadow brushes. I'm going to leave the link to these eyeshadow brushes in the description box for you. They are very attractive looking. I like them, and it feels really sturdy. Now you can tell when a brush feels cheapy, you can tell, but this one feels really good in the hand. And I really love this cute little fan brush. So I thought I can probably use this if I'm doing like a cut crease to help me out. And I thought, how nice is that? Or you can just use it to put on your highlights on your cheeks as well. But it's very, very small, so it's for the eyes. It's not for the cheek because it's an eye set. It's 15 pieces, okay? Eyebrush set. 15-piece eyeshadow brush set. That's what I'm trying to say. 15-piece eyeshadow brush set from Amazon. Okay, when I find the link to this, it's going to be down below for you guys. And it's all beautiful blender brushes. Love that. You can never go wrong with more brushes. You always have to replace your brushes all the time. And so I also picked up 2 lip liners. These are from Rimmel. These I got from Amazon as well. And first of all, I thought I had purchased a blue and a purple, but 2 of these came for some reason. Maybe I made a mistake with my order. But they both are called Deep Wine. Let me just see which one I've used before. Beautiful. Oh my God. I mean, the eyeliner, look at that. Right here. Beautiful, gorgeous, very, very deep. For your eyeliners, it is just amazing. I love it. And when I saw these online, I thought they were going to be really good. Again, from Rimmel, and it's called Deep Wine, and they're eyeliners, and I got these from Amazon. So I picked up from Morphe. This is the Filter Effect Soft Focus Foundation, medium to full coverage. This is the package right here. Let me just see where I can open this up. Here we go. So we're just going to open that, and I'm just going to show you what the product looks like. There we go. Lovely. This definitely will fit my skin. Definitely will fit my skin. So I thought, let me just go a shade lighter. I've never tried this particular foundation from Morphe before. This is the Filter Effect. It's a soft focus foundation, medium to full coverage, and the shade of this is Tan, T-A-N, number 28. So we're just going to see if that's going to fit my skin, and I think it will fit my skin just perfect. And I picked up another foundation here because my skin's changed so much since I've been doing my buff polishing and all of that fancy stuff. And this is also another Filter Effects foundation. This is in the shade Tan 21. And there we go. This is Tan 21, Tan 23. Yeah, 21 and 23. So I thought maybe I can just mix both just to see which one fits my skin the best. And last but not least, I do have another foundation here. Yes, because I'm trying to find the right match for my skin still. This is F90. I do have the F3 120, which is fine for my skin. It's a little bit of a reddish undertone, and I thought, let me just go down a shade, a little bit lighter, and see how that works. And also, we have a protective cap right here. So let me just see quickly. Let me just squeeze a little bit on my hand. Yes, I can see how this is going to fit my skin just fine. I'm just going to rub it in. And there we go. You're probably not going to be able to see that. But that's going to fit my skin just perfect. I don't know if you guys can see that. And this blends right into your skin. Very nice. I will love that. And these are all the beauty buys for the month of August. Like I said, I did not pick up too many things because I did not want to go too crazy with buying a lot of stuff. And I just wanted to add a few things to my collection. And so this is it. I'm going to leave all of these things down below for you guys just in case you want to take a look and pick up one or two things. And this particular item from Sigma is really ingenious. This is an ingenious product. You got to get this. I mean, if you only have, let's say, a couple of brushes in your collection, and this is a powder brush, and you want to use this powder brush to put on your blush, just clean it on here. All the powder is going to be gone, and then you can go in and you can do your blush. It's crazy how this works. Really, really, really nice. Anywho, I'm going to leave everything down below for you guys just in case you want to pick up on something. And that's it for today's video, my friends. Hope you guys enjoy this little beauty buys for the month of August. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Odette, and I shall catch you guys next time. Toodles!